Good morning, guys. So we're back. We are in Lucern, and we'll have a small walking tour of Lucern. We already have our breakfast. Now we're moving for the small walking tour. We'll show you some monuments, some things that we did not see yesterday, or we did not closely see yesterday. So now let's go and watch uh, the things. The place that we stay in, just opposite to that is the Franciscan church, and this is what it looks like. So we'll go there and see how it looks from inside. From outside, it is beautiful. So there are water fountains across Switzerland, which is very good to have water. We'll also fill the water from here and move onwards. So now moving towards the Needle Dam and the streets of Lucerne. This is the Needle Dam, if you see. The Needle Dam regulates the water coming from the mountains and the beautiful houses of Lucerne. See the flow of water gushing down. Now we'll be moving toward this Brewer Bridge. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. So this is this Brewer Bridge, which connects from one part to the other part of the city and the lake. So we're entering the Brewer Bridge. I hope I'm pronouncing it well. It has a lot of paintings. If you see, wooden bridge and with a lot of paintings on the bridge. Another water fountain. The Jesus Church. The Chappel Bridge, which got destroyed in fire but was rebuilt again, and a lot of paintings inside was also destroyed but was rebuilt by the government. And in between this is a water tower, a beautiful wooden bridge. Let's go inside and see. Wooden bridge connects one part of the city to the other. A very old bridge, and the hand painted. This was destroyed in fire but was restored. So this what Chappel Bridge and the water tower was built in the 14th century, and it was a 285-meter long originally, which was shortened a lot of times in the 19th century. In the 17th century, the Chappel Bridge was adorned with a set of paintings. The triangular panel were designed by the town secretary. It had fire on the 17th of August in 1993, and a lot of things was burned. 81 out of 111 paintings were burnt, but later on it was restored along with the bridge. So this is a beauty that is at the center of Lucern. So we boarded the train for Uznach, and it is running on time. I have not seen any train in Switzerland which has not left the station on time and reached the destination on time. So awesome time management. People value for money here. So let's see what's the view. We reached Uznach station, and we look forward to a good stay with Sheetal's cousin. And now we reached Läderach chocolate factory from the station, and we took a tour of the same. We had the entire family coming in, and we enjoyed the tour a lot and tasted a lot of delicious chocolates, and it was a great experience. Each and every flavor that we tasted was different, and was delicious. And as it is, Switzerland is known for its chocolates, so we could not miss the chocolate factory tour. We also made our own chocolate in the shape of the Switzerland map, and both me and Avni enjoyed making it, and we also decorated with a lot of raisins and chocolates in. So post visiting the chocolate factory, we started our journey towards the pumpkin farms, and let's see what's there in the pumpkin farms. This was a very beautiful place, and there were a lot of structures that were made with pumpkins, and we were enjoying completely. Post visiting this farm, there were kids area, and we also had some pumpkin soup here, and enjoyed our day with the children. And then we headed back to the place of Sheetal's cousin, and we spent our night there, and because tomorrow morning we need to move to Zurich. Hope you liking the video, and do subscribe to our channel and like the video so that it can reach to maximum people who would want to come to Uznach, because I can tell you Uznach is one of the most beautiful offbeat location of Switzerland, which not many people come, but it is as beautiful as Lucern or any other place. So I would recommend, if you want to go offbeat, please come to Uznach. So till we meet tomorrow, take care and happy watching.